Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to make Yahoo your default homepage and Microsoft Edge browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Edge browser, and dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay select mo lang dito yung settings. So click lang natin yan. And dito sa settings, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung start, home, and new tabs. Okay, so i-click lang natin yan. Alright, so makikita mo na dito yung when Edge starts. So kung paano ba natin gawin yung Yahoo, My Homepage, and Microsoft Edge. So dito may makikita kang options na open the new tab page, open tabs from the previous sessions, or open these pages. Okay? So, isilik mo lang ito, open these pages. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa pages ay dito lang sa right side. So, kailangan mo lang mag-add new page. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa add new page, enter a URL. So, kailangan lang natin i-enter yung URL ni Yahoo. Okay? So, type lang natin yan, yahoo.com. So, once na-type mo na yung URL ng Yahoo, and then click mo lang dito yung add. And then makikita mo na kaagad dito yung URL or yahoo.com na default homepage sa Microsoft Edge. Okay, so dito na siya. Alright, so dito naman sa right side, kung gusto mo itong i-remove, so napakadali lang naman. I-click mo lang itong tatlong dot, pwede mo itong i-edit or pwede mo itong i-delete. Alright, so sinik mo lang dito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to make Yahoo My Homepage and Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.